Hello good people, this is Jay from Tech Fun Blaster. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Facebook. To begin with, let's open the Facebook application. So before I go, if you want to know about how to register a Facebook account, you can check my previous video so that you can get registered with a Facebook. Now, today I'm going to show you how you can use it. This is an Android phone I'm using. You have to tap on Facebook, and after you tap on Facebook, right now I got the profile picture. So the first one is you want to update your profile picture. So I'm just having a cartoon for tutorial purpose, but you can upload any picture you like. Now I'll tell you how you can upload, but normally if you registered a new Facebook account, it won't show any profile picture in the cartoon area, which is this. All right, now I just updated already, so that's the reason you're getting this cartoon picture here. But if you want to update a picture of your own own profile picture, you can always click on this camera icon, which is right here. You have to tap on the camera, which is right here. Now after you tap on it, then it will ask you select the profile video. So there are a lot of things, because since I've already got the picture here, so that's the reason it's showing add frame, take new profile video, and so on. But normally if you don't have any profile picture, it will show you only three options, which is take new profile video, select profile video, and the last one is select profile picture. So then in your case, if you've already taken the profile picture, then you have to click on select profile picture. So after you tap on select profile picture, then you choose the picture of your choice, and then you can click on save at the top. Now since I've already got the picture, so I'm not going to save it. So you can click on the back button at the very top left side. You can see that. In that way you can go to the main page. Now after you click on the back button, there is one more thing called add cover photo. So this add cover photo is something like you can update a background picture, or maybe like a family, or a group of family members, or some kind of adventure or anything. Whatever you do, you can upload it by clicking this upload photo. All right, now again, I'm not uploading right now, so it's just for tutorial purpose. So I'm clicking on the back button. Now after I click on the back button, you will be seeing this main page look like this. Now you got three options, which is live, photo, and check-in. So if you tap on live, you can record live, and that I'm not going to do it, and you can share it in that way. Or if you want to click on photo, you can click on photo and then upload the photo of your choice, and then click on next at the top. And then if you want to say something, you can say something by typing blah blah blah, and then click on post. So this is the way you post your story of your choice, whatever you like. Now the next thing is how you can search your friends. So to search your friends, again, you can see there are a list of icons at the top section, which is below the Facebook logo. You can see icons, which is home, then go on like this. Now if you tap on the home button, it goes to the home button, obviously, so to the main page. Now next to that, it's look like two persons icon. So if you tap on that, that will help you to search the friend to whichever place he's located. For example, I got a friend, George. He's living in California. So let me search him. tap on the search icon, which is this magnifying glass. You tap on that and then type George. Now, after you type George, there are a lot of people using Facebook. So it can be anywhere. So in my case, he lives in California. So below George, you can see there are a lot of tabs. All right. Swipe it to the left or to the right. You can choose the option in that tab below. Now, in my case, I'm searching a friend. Okay, so if you're searching for a post of George, then you want to click on post. If you're searching for a friend, he's a people, so you want to tap on people. Now, if you want to search an events which was conducted by George, then you want to tap on events. Now, as I'm searching just my friend, so I'm tapping on people, which is this one. Now, after I tap on people, there is one more information we have to update, which is which city he is living. So you simply tap here and then type the city, which is California. And here you see California city. So in this California city, you can see a list of people in the name of George. Again, you can also be more specific with the address as well. Even in that way, you can find them like a zip code or whatever you want to type. You can type it. It's not necessarily, because in California there are a lot of George. Okay, now you can be more specific, and then you can search accordingly. So this is the way you can search your friends of your choice. And once after you search your friend, then you can see there is a plus symbol with a person. So if you tap on it, that will help you to add him as a friend. All right. So I'm not tapping it right now because I don't know who's this George is. So if you tap on it, you can add him as a friend. And in that way, you can add any friends of your choice and then make him friend. So what exactly happens is, after you tap on it, this friend request goes to that person, and if he accepts your friend request, then he will allow you to become a friend. So this is the way you can add a friend request. Now you can click on the left arrow and then you can go back to the main screen and then click on the home button. So again, you can go back to the home button. After the second tab, you see there is one more option, which is a group of people with an icon. So this is something, if you like to search like a group activities like hobbies or interest or entertainment, whichever you want to, you can tap on it and then that will show you the list of people who's in a group. Again, you can search it anywhere. Okay, if you tap on it, and then even if you search it on the friends search as well, you can do that. But this is, again, you have to learn it all by yourself. Only few information I can share, but you have to learn all by yourself. Now, after the third tab, you can see one more option called a play button. All right. So this is something, if you like to watch something like a videos or something, you can watch. And you can search for that as well. And the last one is the bell icon. If you tap on the bell icon, that will show you the notification. For example, I've sent George a friend request. Tomorrow, if he accept or allow me as a friend, then you will get notified. Or if you got any other notification from Facebook or some other notification like some alert, you'll get that in that bell icon. So the last section is like a sandwich bar, we used to say. Now if you tap on it, if you tap on profile settings, then you can edit it whatever you want to, and then edit it accordingly. And also you can see below there is called settings and privacy. So if you tap on that, then you can click on settings, and then this is your personal information. You can update it, translation of post, location where you live, and few other things. Okay, so is self-explanatory. You can do that. Now if you want to change the password, for that you can click on security and login. Okay, now again I will show you. So go to the sandwich bar. After you tap on the sandwich bar, you'll get a page like this, and then you can tap on settings, and if you want to change the password, this is the security and login. You tap on that, and then there you see change password. So if you tap on that, that will help you to change the password. So these are the basic information I like to share, and I recommend to keep using Facebook. In that way you can learn more. So thank you very much, friends. I'm glad I've shared the knowledge with you. Please subscribe to my channel, Tech Fun Blaster, and click on the bell icon to see my notification.